This video is just going to have a few tricks and tips to create your game piece. If you can look at even my game piece, although it may look complex, it actually isn't. It's just a series of stacked rectangles. So if you look at my original sketch, it's a 1" by 2" rectangle that then becomes extruded. And you can see on my next sketch, stack another series of rectangles to extrude them. So as we build up this part, I didn't look at it holistically, like how am I going to draw this in one sketch? Rather, it's nothing more than a series of sketches or rectangles, either cuts or extrusions, to create this, as we can see. To make more of a circular piece, we're going to want to use that revolve feature. So I'm just creating a sketch. I'm going to choose to do it on the front plane and choose the front plane. I'm not going to do this to any specific dimension. So yours would obviously be towards a dimension. So I'm going to choose my center line, which is going to be my point that I'm going to revolve my drawing around. Now I'm just going to do a pretty standard chess piece, like a pawn. So you can see I'm going to create the base of this, of my pawn piece. I'm going to move up. And what you're seeing is I'm drawing it from the half profile view. So none of my lines are overlapping. It's a closed drawing. So what you're going to look at I do next is to create this pretty standard chess piece is I'm going to click on my revolve tool. I'm revolving this face of it. I need to choose my center axis, which is that vertical line that I created, to get my pretty standard pawn or chess piece. Now, if we look at a traditional piece, most of these pieces are symmetrical. So we can draw it in the side profile view and you can create your own. So we can get that pretty standard shape to it. So that's just another way to approach it, is more of a rectangular piece. Think about building it in stages. More of a circular piece. Think about drawing it and creating it in that side profile view, cut in half to make for an easy revolution. Now, after I've completed my revolution, it doesn't mean I'm done with my piece. I could create additional sketches on my piece to take away or add features to it or further create the shape that I would like. But again, it's just that rough idea to it to get you started.